Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them I come, them I want, them I take her. Batman, me I come.
So it's me, Aya, coming at you guys today with a review that's being brought to you by Samsbeauty.com. They sent me out the Sensational Empress Lace Free Part Boutique Bundles unit, and I have it in the style Boutique Deep. Here is her stock card. I have Boutique Deep in a color 1B. This unit is going to be a free parting unit. So basically, when they say free parting, basically you just shifting the wig. You're not parting it anywhere. You're just shifting it from the center, left, or to a right side part, whatever your preference is. This unit is going to be heat safe up to 400 degrees. She has a total of 3 combs, 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and she does not have any moldable ear tabs. She is going to give you a hand-tight lace parting area, and she is going to be a very comfortable cap. She's very stretchy, so she is big head friendly. She is going to be layered for you, so you don't have to do any additional cutting. She's already layered for you. So she's probably maybe about a good, I want to say 22 inches when she is stretched. She is going to be very full, but she's also lightweight, so she's not too heavy on your head, so she's very comfortable to wear. I did not receive any shedding on this unit until I started pulling on it and making the curls less uniform, because when you do get this unit, it does come tightly curled. But as you guys can see, I have been wearing her and she wears quite nicely. I've only gotten some tangling right here in the nape area, but as you can see, it's not getting, you know, like a rat's nest or anything like that, which I do love about this unit. So give me one moment. Let me go ahead and throw Miss Boutique Deep on so you guys can see what she looks like on me, and I'll show you a couple different styles that I did with her as well. And if you're interested in this unit, I will leave the stock card, well, her review right here. Just go ahead and click that card and give me one moment. I'm gonna go ahead and throw Miss Boutique on. I have Miss Boutique Deep on, and here's her stock card once again. Yeah, first of all, let me say this. I've been wearing this wig off and on since I received her, I want to say last Friday, and she's gorgeous. I'm in love. But anyway, let me go ahead and give you a little 360. She's nice and bouncy, very, very flowy. She's not weighed down or anything like that. She does have lots of movement, as you can see. She's just gorgeous. I highly recommend her. Pick her up in whatever color. I hope that you dolls love her just as much as I do when you receive her, because she is just gorgeously curled. I'm definitely getting, you know, that bundle vibe from her. Most definitely. They did this unit excellent, okay? I cannot say this enough. I love curly units. But when they're curly like this and they're naturally curly and it just flows where you don't have to do too much styling to it, it's perfect for beginners. It's perfect for my expert wig wearers. It's perfect for any and everybody. But of course, you know, if you don't like big hair, you know, sometimes big hair can, you know, definitely overpower you. But I think with this particular unit, you can tame her down, and you can definitely feel comfortable wearing this type of hairstyle, because while it is big and full, it's not big and full and lioness, so it's not gonna, you know, poof up on you too much unless you want it to. You can definitely put some mousse on it and tame it down even more if you know, prefer that type of style, or you can not finger fluff it as I did, because when you first get this unit, it's a little tightly curled, but you know, I picked it apart. I went ahead and I just played around with it. I did trim some layers here in the front just so I can frame my face a little bit better, but for the most part, this unit wore excellent. I wore this unit for maybe about, I want to say 4 hours on Saturday, and y'all, look, it's not looking crazy or anything. It's not looking like a cat has been playing with it. Like, it's the bomb. So let me show you the different styles that you can do with this. You can definitely wear, you know, to the right as I am. You can push it to the middle, and let me take the combs out. I do utilize the comb sometimes. So we're going to do a middle part. It's gorgeous in the middle part. Let me do a left part for you. The left part is kind of tricky for me because I don't know what it is. I don't know if this side is not laying right, but the left part is kind of tricky for me, so I don't really like it in the left part. Let me show you guys so I can give it a fair chance. So here's the left part. And what I love about when you are shifting this unit, your length does not change on either side. It's going to be very evenly cut. Thank you, Sensational. Because I know sometimes when they say free parting unit, you go to switch it, the cut is it gets uneven. That's a pet peeve. Why would you do that? But yeah, here it is as a left part. I'm going to go ahead and go back to a center part for you guys so you guys can see that. I do like a center part for this wig. It's very cute, very stylish. Let me put all the hair to the front for you so you can see all the hair to the front. Here we go. Here's all the hair to the front. Like I said, she's probably maybe about a good 22 inches when she is stretched. She is gorgeous, okay? I'm in love. Y'all just don't understand. Like, this is my jam right here. And as far as tangling, she does tingle some. Of course, it's a curly unit. It's gonna tingle. But I try not to mess with it too much so it doesn't, get excessively tangled. Low manipulation is the best thing for certain wigs, and this particular wig, low manipulation can definitely keep the longevity of this unit. So you can get a lot of wears out of her. But honestly, I'm loving her as she's getting older. I loved her when she first came out the pack, and I'll insert a picture right here. And I know I'm rambling on. That's because I am enjoying this unit. Like I said, I've been wearing it off and on since I received it Friday, and it's not disappointing whatsoever. I definitely will be getting some other colors for this unit from my personal collection to have, because I know once you guys go ahead and get a hold of this wig and y'all start feeling her, you're going to want to buy more than one. So yeah, she's super duper cute, super dope, very affordable dupe for those virgin hair bundle wigs that you see and those standalone bundles that you see or whatever. I definitely am enjoying the price point. She is under $40. I will leave her purchase link down below as always. But yeah, let me know what you think about this unit on me, and I will come at you dolls later.